In this video, we will talk about how to fix second monitor not detected Windows 10. Method 1. Check physical connections. First, make sure the monitor is powered on. Otherwise, there is no use of doing all the troubleshooting. Next, verify the HDMI, DisplayPort, DVI, or VGA cable is plugged in securely on both ends. Try switching cables or ports to rule out a faulty cable. If you have a GPU like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, ensure you're connecting to the GPU ports, not the motherboards. Use your monitor's menu button to select the correct input. Some monitors don't auto-switch to the correct input. Method 2. Check display settings. Click on Windows icon, open Settings. Select System. Scroll down to Multiple Displays. If it's set to show only on one, then we need to change it. For that, click in there, select Extend these displays or duplicate these displays. Method 3. Update display drivers. Right-click on Windows icon, select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, select Update Driver. Then click on Search automatically for drivers. Now click on Windows icon and select Restart. Method 4. Roll back or reinstall drivers. Right-click on Windows icon, select Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card, select Properties. Then click on Driver tab. Select Rollback Driver. If rollback option is not showing as same, then uninstall the device. Again, click on Uninstall. Now click on Windows icon and restart your PC. Let Windows reinstall it automatically. So that's how you can fix second monitor not detected Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, then leave a like and drop your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video.